What's happening? On Christmas, people spend 90% of all their savings for 1 year on gifts. In the US, this is as much as $400 billion. But a trader makes money on Christmas. And today you will learn my coolest Christmas strategy to get back all the money you spent on gifts and earn a lot more. Keep watching because I'll tell you right now, step by step, how it works. And as a bonus, today I will give away up to $50,000 and an individual step-by-step plan on how to start trading to 10 of my subscribers. Watch out, you could be one of the lucky ones. Watch the video to the end and find out how to take part in the Christmas Mega Raffle. Let's go! The main thing I'm proud of this year is my trading Telegram channel, and now it is already a community of 26,000 people. These are the lucky ones with whom I share my real-time signals completely free of charge. Participants simply copy my transactions and earn from $500 a day. And you can too! Just follow the link to my channel in the description under this video and in the pinned comment.
Merry Christmas, one and all!
Merry Christmas, my lovely traders! I am Evelyn, a professional trader with 5 years of experience and an average win rate of 88.9%. And today, instead of Santa, I will give you gifts throughout the entire video. There are a lot of gifts and they are super useful for a novice trader, so make sure to pay attention and watch until the end. Let's start with my Christmas strategy on how to earn $5,000 in 10 minutes. Spoiler alert, this is one of my favorite and most profitable strategies on the market. So, first step, you know the drill. Let's start setting up our candlestick time frame. It will be 30 seconds and the trade duration will be 1 minute. Second, now on to our currency pairs. We'll use Australian dollar and Canadian dollar, the euro and Japanese yen, the Canadian dollar and Swiss franc, the British pound and Australian dollar. Step number 3. We will also set up some indicators. Today we'll use envelopes with the following values: 20, 0.06, SMA, close. See how much more convenient and understandable the indicator became when we added smart parameters. And we also need the RSI with period 14. By the way, here is a question. Do you trade on Christmas Eve? And if so, how does it work? Write in the comments about your results. It's very interesting to know your experience with the market. So, I have everything ready, but for New Year's trading, you need the right music. Great, let's fly. Trade number 1, Pound and Aussie. Here we have a downward movement. We can see that price is struggling to break through an important resistance level and falls back every time. So, press lower. Boom! Profit! $38. Great start! Let's move on to the next trade. On the second pair, there is a trend reversal. The bulls have exhausted their strength. Therefore, we're going lower. Just a little more. Yes! We're already down to $73, but we won't stop here. Yes. Yeah. The period is out of its range and we have broken through the resistance level. By the way, RSI also confirms the downward movement. One thing left to do then, click lower. Woo! Jingle coins! And we already have $140 in our pocket. But let's not lose our focus. We are on the first pair. What do we have here? Yeah, well, this is a clear continuation of the downward trend. The wavy lines of envelopes repeat their cycle. And this is a very obvious hint. And we understand the hints perfectly, so we press lower. Yep, great. And we added $269 to the account. Beauty.
You got me, officer! I did it!
Santa is happy with us and guarantees good luck to everyone who watches my analysis. Speaking of Santa, it's time for another one of the gifts, an individual plan for a profitable start in trading in 2024. My team and I have developed a step-by-step plan for beginners in trading. To prepare this mega gift, I used my entire 5-year experience as a professional trader, and having studied many strategies for beginners, we created the most profitable one. My win rate is close to 89%, and I know exactly how to make the safest possible start with a mega profit. All the new subscribers on my Telegram channel will benefit from this gift. All you need to do is write me a personal message. I want a gift from Santa. Run quickly to my Telegram to receive your super bonus. And now we're moving on. The indicators are both showing that price has exhausted all its juice. This means that active trading and the beginning of a bullish trend is very close. Click higher. Boom! It was stylish. We have $516. Everything is going great. The upward movement is obvious because the candles are moving toward the resistance level, pressing higher. Woo! Great job! Another $991 going into our account. We're doing great so far. Here we have a reversal from the current high. This means that the market is headed down. The bears are taking the market into their own hands, or paws. Going lower. Wow, awesome! Our earnings are already $1,903. We read the market like Christmas elves read letters.
You did it! Congratulations!
Yes, the downward trend is gaining momentum and does not stop. The lines of both indicators are moving according to what we see on the charts, so we'll press the lower button. Yes! Yes, yes! Amazing! Now we have $2,823 in our account. Yes, Christmas is a wonderful time, but what if every day could be special? Trading provides the opportunity for permanent income, and I invite you to join my community on Telegram. Just copy my trades and get a stable income without leaving home. Don't miss the opportunity to change your life. The link to the channel is in the description and pinned comment under this video. And don't forget, even during the Christmas fun, the main thing is called market analysis. Let's see. The period has come to an end. The RSI line has reached a critical point, after which an upward movement will be next to impossible, pressing lower. Whoa! We have reached the amount of $3,743, but we can't relax at all. Otherwise, a mistake like the Grinch could steal our Christmas. Okay, both indicators predict an uptrend. We expect that price has decided to overcome a new peak. Click higher. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are up and running again. Great! We already have $4,663 in our piggy bank. We're close to the end of the session. Australian and Canadian. The indicators show a continuation of the upward trend. Let's support this movement. Click higher. See how it closed? Perfect. We have $5,583. I was planning to stop, but the market is doing great, and I don't want to miss the opportunity to earn this last one. The upward movement is obvious because the candles are moving toward the resistance level, pressing higher. And great! Wow, cool! Our deposit has grown to $6,503. Wow, wow, wow! We spent a maximum of 10 minutes on this. This is definitely the best ending to 2023. Merry Christmas, my lovely traders! And now I will give away up to $50,000 and an individual step-by-step plan on how to start trading to 10 of my subscribers. Incredible! But first, 2023 is ending and we need to sum it up. And when you trade on binary options market, it's very pleasant to do this. During this year, I was able to reach all my goals and be satisfied with my achievements. I bought a car and a luxurious house and visited 12 countries on 5 continents. But the most important result of 2023 is my Telegram channel. Every day I share my trading moves in real time with my subscribers, and by following everything step by step, every move I make, they earn $400 to $500, and every day I receive a wave of gratitude in messages from them. Just an endless stream of photos and videos with happy faces and loads of money.
I was almost like giving up of trading, and then I found Evelyn.
I really appreciate your help, the way you are helping us to earn money.
You make it easy. I don't know how you make that.
And then I was able to make real money, actually. and I'm so happy for it.
And to join us, you only need to take a couple of simple steps. Join my Telegram channel using the first link in the description. Write me a private message. I support every member, every day. I explain in great detail how to trade on the platform. So in just a couple of days, you will understand the basics of trading, and you will be able to earn about $500 a day simply by repeating my trades. Join my channel right now and start changing your life. Follow the first link in the description or in the pinned comment under the video. And now, drum roll, $50,000. Incredible, but why so many? This is thanks to you. Over this year, I have made many useful videos for you and trading sessions in which I explained my super strategies step by step, which ultimately brought me a huge extra profit of $50,000. I return it to you with gratitude. And to become one of the 10 winners, all you need to do is 1. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. 2. Write the following comment: how much do you want to earn in 2024? And 3. Join my Telegram channel using the first link in the description and send me a private message saying I am participating in Christmas draw. And also, each participant receives an individually compiled trading plan for 2024. Good luck! You could be one of the 10 lucky ones.
You did it!
Ho ho ho! I wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a profitable New Year.